You are welcome, Your Excellency.
All right.
We feel aggrieved. What the APC have promised Nigerian, we have not seen anything since 2015 till date.
Today, I stand before you as a proud member of the campaign faction of the All Progressive Congress, APC, and the defunct Congress for Progressive Change, CPC. We gather here not just to announce a change in our political allegiance, but to express our unwavering belief in the leadership of a man who embodied hope, vision, and a commitment to the broad progress of Nigeria, His Excellency Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, GCON. Under your leadership, Nigeria witnessed unprecedented advancement, and it is this kind of innovative thinking we need at the helm of our nation once again. As we stand here today, we are not merely abandoning one political party. We are choosing to embrace a new vision for Nigeria, one that is anchored in accountability, transparency, and the genuine welfare of our citizens. We believe, under your leadership, Your Excellency, inshallah, we can restore faith in our politics and work toward a Nigeria that is prosperous, secure, and just for all. Your Excellency, we are here to support you. We are here to work with you to take Nigeria to the next level of domestic prosperity and international respect.
Concerned Nigerian political support groups and civil society organizations have come together to form the Coalition for Project Rescue Nigeria 2027 in response to the growing need for national revival. Sir, accountable leadership and democratic renewal. Our decision is driven by the following core reasons. 1. To rescue Nigeria from failed leadership. We believe Nigeria is at a critical crossroad. The current leadership under the APC-led government has failed to address the nation's worsening security, rising poverty, economic instability, and growing disunity. Our coalition is a response to the urgent call to rescue Nigeria from continued decline. Sir, secondly, to support a credible, tested, and visionary leader is one of our major aims. Now we are here. We have resolved to support Atiku Abubakar in the 2027 presidential election because we believe he possesses the experience, national reach, and vision required to restore order, growing the economy, and unify the country. Sir, in conclusion, we will not bore you with a lot of stories. The Coalition for Project Rescue Nigeria 2027 is not just a campaign vehicle. It is a national salvation effort. Our mission is to ensure that in 2027, Nigeria takes a decisive turn towards unity, progress, and prosperity, with Atiku Abubakar as the capable leader to guide that transformation.
Mata da suke nan gabaki daya. Dadi, muna roƙonka, Allah ya zaba mana kai. Mun san zaka iya. Dadi, kai me yi ne. Dadi, ka taimake mu, Allah ya taimake mu. Mun same ka. Ka tsaya mana 2027. Dukkanmu nan, kowane mutum daya, insha Allah. Kowanne ya zo a matsayin mutanen shi na garin shi. Mun yi maka alƙawari dadi da izinin Allah. Da izinin Allah, insha Allah, za mu tsaya da ƙarfinmu da ikon Allah ka karɓi Najeriya dadi. Daddy.
Picture of where I come from and who I am. I would say I'm multifaceted and I'm multiracial. I'm from Delta State, I'm from Imo State, I'm from River State. So because of that opportunity, we did a lot the last time you wanted to come into office. We did a lot the first time you wanted to come into office. And we're just coming to tell you now that we'll support you any which way you want to do it. Thank you for your time.
Still your rights. You have the strength, you have the courage, you have the stamina to do that. It is not anything beyond your capacities. So I want to implore you all to make sure that you not only mobilize for people to vote, you also mobilize them to protect those votes. We did that in 2014. We made it impossible for the government to change results. There is no reason why we cannot do it again. So I thank you very much indeed for this visit, and I hope we will continue to interact, until we achieve our objectives of restoring an economically viable, democratic country that has a future for our young generation. Thank you very much.